Hello everyone, welcome to Speak Lux. Today's activity is improving vocabulary. For this, I have an article from the newspaper The Tribune. Let's read, understand and grasp some new words today. Let's start with the headline. Daniel Radcliffe reveals he was terrified of his co-star Alan Rickman. This is the actor who played Harry Potter, and this is co-actor Alan Rickman. Now this line states that Harry Potter was really scared of his fellow actor Alan Rickman. When Harry Potter used the word terrified means he was extremely frightened or nervous when Alan Rickman was around him. Next, Harry Potter intimidated. Intimidated means feeling frightened or nervous because someone or something is more powerful or dominant. So in other words, extremely frightened. So from this headline, it is clear that this article is based on the statement given by Harry Potter about Alan Rickman. And it is also clear that Harry Potter was terrified from Alan Rickman. So let's dive deep into this article. Actor Daniel Radcliffe has stated that he was deadly afraid of Alan Rickman's character, Professor Severus Snape, who taught potions at Hogwarts in the first 3 Harry Potter films. Deadly afraid. Deadly afraid again means extremely frightened to the point where it feels as though it could cause death. मीन्स इतना डर जाना, इतना घबरा जाना किसी से कि आपको लगे अब तो मैं मरने ही वाला हूँ. सो डेडली अफ्रेड. इतना ज्यादा जो है वो हैरी पॉटर एलन से डरते थे. एलन रिकमैन जिन्होंने की मूवी में प्रोफेसर का रोल जो है वो प्ले किया है, and they have worked together in the first 3 Harry Potter films. And when they use the word deadly afraid, it means extremely or really frightened. Next, I was so intimidated by Alan Rickman. This is just the repetition of information. How can you not be by that voice? Now this line means that how it is possible that someone could not frightened by that voice. Means उनकी आवाज ही ऐसी थी कि ये possible ही नहीं था या ये बहुत ही difficult था कि कोई उनकी आवाज से डरे नहीं. So it was very hard for him. Even hearing that voice, you forget quite how low it was until it echoes through you, Radcliffe said on a Happy Sad Confused podcast. Now, this is the podcast where Harry Potter reveals the fact that Alan's voice was so deep and it made a strong impression on him. It echoes through you means it was so strong that it felt like it vibrates within him. I was so intimidated by him for the first 3 movies means he was really scared of Alan during the first 3 movies. I was terrified him and was like, this guy hates me. So he was so afraid that he thought that this Rickman didn't like him at all. The actor who portrayed Harry Potter then watched an interview in which Rickman discussed him and the rest of the young Harry Potter stars before his death. Rickman, who passed away in 2016, he gave an interview before that and it was later watched by Harry Potter. In it, Rickman reflected on the huge pride he felt on Radcliffe succeeding on Broadway at the time, the pressure that young actor faced from an early age. In the interview, Alan expressed how proud he was about Harry Potter for doing well on the Broadway at that time. He was also talked about the pressure that a young actor like Harry Potter faced from a very young age. Huge pride. This pride means a feeling of satisfaction or pleasure. So he felt proud on Harry Potter. He cut short a vacation on Canada to come and see me in Equus. Harry Potter also mentioned that Alan also cut his vacation in Canada to come and watch him perform in the play Equus. He saw every piece of stage work I did when he was live, Radcliffe said. Rickman made an effort to see all the Harry Potter stage performance while he was live. So जब तक वो थे उन्होंने हैरी पॉटर के जितने भी stage performance थे वो सभी उन्होंने देखने की कोशिश की. The actor added he would take me out afterwards and would talk about it. After the show, they would spend time together and discuss Radcliffe's performance. So this is all about this article. Now let's see what are the vocabulary words which we can learn from this article.
First word is terrified, which means extremely frightened. Let's see sentence. He is terrified of spiders, means darna. बहुत ज्यादा डर जाना, वो स्पाइडर से डरता है. So he is terrified of spiders. Next word is intimidated, feeling frightened because someone or something is more powerful or dominant. Let's see a sentence. He was not a man to be easily intimidated. वो ऐसा आदमी नहीं था जिसको कि आप जल्दी से डरा सको. So he was not a man to be easily intimidated. Next word is deadly afraid, extremely frightened to the point where it feels as though it could cause death. For example, he is deadly afraid of black crows. उसको काले कौवे से डर लगता है. Deadly afraid. Now अगर आपने देखा होगा तो these are the synonyms of each other. बहुत ज्यादा डर जाना, या तो आप बोल सकते हो terrified या intimidated या फिर deadly afraid. तो इसमें से कौन सा वर्ड आपको बहुत इजी लगा? Make a sentence and drop it into the comment section. Let's see another word, and that is pride. A feeling of satisfaction or pleasure. For example, being able to work again gave him his pride back. दोबारा से काम करने से उसका प्लेजर या सेटिस्फेक्शन जो है वो उसको दोबारा से मिल गया. सो प्राइड, अ फीलिंग ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन और प्लेजर. नेक्स्ट इज echoes through you, vibrates within you. Echoes through you means that something has a lasting impact on you. Imagine shouting in a big cave and hearing your voice bounce off the walls again and again. It's like that feeling when something sticks with you. It may be a memory, a feeling, or an experience that you can't shake off easily. I hope these vocabulary words are clear to you and this video is valuable for you. If you have any suggestion by which I can improve my videos, then please drop your comments. If everything is okay, then do share and like. See you with the new video. Till then, enjoy your learning. Have a nice day and bye-bye.